Why does your scanner show the P0056 engine code? What does it mean? P0056 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S Heater Control Circuit, Bank 2 Sensor 2. The P0056 engine code, or indicate vehicle's engine computer, detects a malfunction in the heating element circuit of the downstream oxygen sensor engine opposite cylinder number 1. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or harness, corroded or loose connectors, blown oxygen sensor heater fuse, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Kia, Honda, Nissan, and Toyota. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.